Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Max. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, it's your virtual birthday. Happy virtual birthday, such a special day. Today is a holiday for you. The day you were born, people's dreams came true.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Steph here, and today is a very, very special day. He is out of the shop right now, but I know once he sees me opening this kidnap box, actually boxes, he will be very excited. Guys, we have a double unboxing because today is Max's birthday. He's 2 years old, and my life changed when I got him. He was such a sweet baby, and I always wanted a pet my whole life, and he just grew up to be the sweetest little kitty you could ever want. So anyway, let's go ahead and open up this box. If you don't know what Kitnip is, you pay $19.99 a month, and the proceeds go to Animal Wellness, and they'll send you cat toys every single month. And they have a different theme every month. This month's theme is so cute. It's the staycation, and it says, "We hope you enjoy your staycation themed Kitnip box. A portion of our proceeds is donated to animal welfare causes. Thank you for supporting kitties in need with each box." And then it has a list of every toy. You are right on time. You are right on time. It has a list of every single toy that we have. Happy birthday, Max. Happy birthday. Can we sing him happy birthday real fast? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Max. Happy birthday to you. All right, he's ready. Okay, you went for this. It comes boxed like this, by the way. If you can't see it, it's really cute. And let's open it up. Ooh, I'll take the card. You investigate, Max. So you went for this first. This looks like a playful wine chime wand with a crinkle and safety bell. Nothing sets you up for a zen and stress-free day like the sweet sound of wind chimes. Ooh, it makes you play, that's for sure. You like this one, Maxie? You like that one? Yeah. Ooh. Okay, we'll take it out the package later. Let's keep rolling. Look at this, y'all. A remote control. You got a remote control, Maxie. This is crazy. Oh, it's catnip in it. Ooh, Max, I'm gonna take this out now. It has catnip in it. When the time comes for some meow flicks and purr. Meow flicks and purr. What does it say? This all nip crinkly remote will be just what they need. Max, look, it's got catnip in it. Can you smell it? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's see what else we got. This looks like a booty. Catnip filled. Oh yeah. Let's see. Where are you at? Paws and Purrs comfy sock. Ooh. Okay, I think this is extra. This has catnip in it too. I'm gonna take all the catnip stuff out for you now so you can play with it. I know you love that catnip stuff. Smell that. Ooh. And we've got cucumber slices. These cuddly, soft, rejuvenating spa. He's going crazy for cucumber slices. Don't knock the camera over though. Okay, he's going crazy for this mitten thing, the purple thing I just showed you. Okay, he's going. Anyway, cucumber slices. What else do we have in here? That catnip is good. A wine glass. Max, you are your mother's child. You are your mother's child. Does it? All nip. To truly enjoy their staycation, your fuzzball may be in need of a glass of Burgundy or Meowsling. Okay. This toss toy will allow them to take the edge off their otherwise busy lives. Yes, he has such a busy life. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I love all. Oh, I guess Max, you love it too, birthday boy? You like it too, birthday boy? Birthday boy? Okay, so the next box, I have it right here. I've been on the road, guys, working, so I haven't been able to really open these boxes, but this is great because now it's like it's his birthday. So let's see what this box is. Let's see. We hope you enjoy your jewelry themed kitnip box. A portion of our proceeds is donated to jewelry. Okay, Maxie. Here we go. Let's open it up. He is going crazy with those catnip toys. Cat's Jewelers. A jewelry box cat toy. Ooh, stuffed with, oh, this one has catnip in it too, Maxie. Look at that. Smell that. Mmm. Happy birthday, birthday boy. Meow bands and sunglasses. Oh my goodness. Get ready for the catwalk once your fur baby gets these celeb status shades in their toe beans. Great as a toss or take. Oh my gosh. Mommy always wears sunglasses too, Max. How cute. You are knocking everything on the floor. Okay? There you go. Get everything open for you. Here's your sunglasses. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Oh, you got a watch. Bling bling. Every time they come around, I say they bling bling. This is All Paws All Nip watch. Now your whiskered buddy will know exactly when playtime begins with this stylish Omealga piece. Oh, this has catnip in it too, Maxie. Let me get it for you. Look at this one. He is going crazy. He's so happy. Okay, what else do we have? A catnip-filled cat's jeweler. He is just knocking everything on the floor, and that's okay because that's what you could do. This is the jewelry store, catnip-filled jewelry store. Can you smell that one? Yeah. And they always have some kind of wand toy in here. Look at that one. That one's cute too, Maxie. This is the Safe Made Dangling Earring Wand. Ooh. You like this one, Max? My birthday boy. My birthday boy. I love you so much. I love you. Aw. Guys, excuse me. Can you wish Max a happy birthday in the comments? Like, he is doing so good here. And shout out to his babysitter, Kayla. You gonna knock the camera down. See, this is what happens when you're not in control. Anyway, guys, wish Max a happy birthday in the comments, please. Thank you to Kitnip. I love what you're doing. The boxes are super, super cute, guys. I'll link the description in the description box below, and make sure you comment and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. Happy birthday, Max. Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. The lady thanks you for watching.